First of all, thank you very much for visiting Esteban's Green Enchilada. This is fresh quesadilla where everything happens and will continue to happen. Please like and subscribe. Today's dish, I'm going to make some roast beef tacos. You can use the roast beef you prefer. Okay, just thinly sliced. I'm using about somewhere between a quarter pound and a third of a pound for 2 tacos. Okay, I'm using Boar's roast beef, deluxe roast beef. I'm going to season it a little bit with just this garlic, salt, and pepper. That's all what it is. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, there you go. I have green onions. I'm going to season them a little bit too. Okay, very quick. So I have some skillets already here. A little oil. You don't need that. You don't need that much. Okay. Let's put it there. There you go. Scallions the same. The roast beef doesn't take that long because it's already cooked. You don't need to. Let me put the tortillas to warm up. You don't need to cook it too long because it's already cooked. You just season it, heating it up. It's got to be very quick. Okay, let me get the rest of the ingredients. I have some tomatoes and onions already sliced. Okay. I have some beans. Whoever likes the beans, have beans. I have a little shredded cheese. For course, I am using monster cheese. And if you like sour cream, you have it all. Okay, the roast beef is ready here. Just thinly sliced and will be perfect. Okay, let me switch. The green onions, you don't need to cook it too long. You just need a little. The tortillas are hot, okay? Oh, God. The roast beef is ready. Look, it's beautiful. Look at this. Okay. You can call it the steak tacos if you want. I call it roast beef because that's what I'm using. And it's plenty of meat for 2 tacos, as you can see. Look at this. Okay. Woohoo! And my scallions are, oh yeah, they're ready. Oh yeah. Okay, let's put the scallions right here, right here. Okay, and you like it, let's put some tomatoes. It's like tomatoes. If you like salsa, you can put salsa. I put tomatoes because my wife likes tomatoes, so I have to do so. And a little onions, why not? Little onion. You like some shredded cheese? You like some sour cream? Okay. For the scallions, what about some lime? Or some lemon if you prefer. Just look. And there, by the way, I have beans. If you like the beans to go with your tacos, they are here. And then you got it. Okay, this is our way to create a fresh taco, a fresh dish. Can be any fresher. This is fresh, easy, beautiful, hot, and it's delicious. Thank you.